let's face it, things aren't always what they appear to be. Yep, rotten. At LARQ, we've become experts at identifying what's underneath the surface, because you don't always know what you're getting just by looking at it.
It's definitely sheep.
Interns. Appearances really can be deceiving. If only there was an easy way to see the truth about what's in your water. Well, now there is. With these patent-pending science classes, we've finally invented a way to see the truth about everyday objects. Like this pitcher.
What the?
Trust me, I did you a favor.
Who let you in?
Did you know your water pitcher is probably growing bacteria in it?
Who are you?
These specially tuned science classes enable you to see contaminants in your water. Traditional water pitchers make your water taste better, but these filters actually trap and collect pollutants, making the filter itself a source of contamination.
Yikes.
Let's take a look. After only 2 weeks, your traditional filter starts to recontaminate your water, since it's become a perfect breeding ground for bacteria, mold, and other pollutants. That's why we invented the LARQ Pitcher, featuring a 2-step filtration and purification system. Everyone does the first step, but not all first steps are equal. The LARQ filter removes lead, chlorine, mercury, VOCs, and more. It also lasts 50% longer than traditional filters, by using a plant-based carbon material combined with a complete redesign of the filter housing. We use 75% less plastic than ordinary water filters. Better for you and better for the planet.
Why is there a sheep in the living room?
Indeed. A filter's a good start, but for consistently clean water, you need that vital second step. The LARQ Pitcher goes beyond filtration by purifying your water through our patented PureViz UVC LED technology. So say goodbye to bacteria, viruses, and mold. Not sure when to replace your filter? Every household's different. With our intelligent filter life tracking, you'll know exactly when you need to replace that filter and when you don't. Smarter for the planet and your wallet. The best part is that perfectly crisp finish that can't be beat. Don't just filter, purify. The LARQ Pitcher does both, with its unique plant-based filter and germ-busting PureViz UVC technology. Now, that's what I call pure water beyond filtration.
Wait, but who are you?
It's good, right?